Hey y'all, it's 12:51 in the morning, 12:51 a.m. and today my cousin is snoring.
So since she catch the video of me snoring, I'm gonna catch a video of her snoring. So y'all know how she just tried to catch a video of me. I catch the video on her. So when she wake up in the morning, we definitely gonna show her this. How she got me with a snoring video, I got her with that party. So when she see this, I hope she know I'm not the only one. Dang, light, come back on. Hold on, put the light back on.
Take it over.
So, hope she get this video. I'm not the only one that snores. Snores a lot. Bye, y'all. Hope y'all can see this.
Okay, bye. I'm not gonna say bye, I'm not leaving. But if y'all can still hear her snore, hold on, be about to be quiet. We're gonna go to bed at like 3 o'clock in the morning.
No, we not.
Well, I'm about to fall asleep now. They are probably not. You're not sleeping right here.
I know that.
I'm sleeping on the couch on my bedroom, guys.